India has the second largest road network in the world. Our national highways have been boosting economic development and scripting the country's growth story. The count of national highways has grown by more than 6 times since the country's independence, and today stands at an impressive 142,000 kilometers. Was formed in 1942 for the construction of roads in pre-colonial India and went on to become what we know today as the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, MORTH. Later, the National Highways Authority of India, NHAI, was set up as a nodal agency for MORTH. An instrument of change since its conception, NHAI believes in building a nation and not just roads. NHAI, through its projects, has been successfully connecting the remotest parts of India and considerably improving the last mile connectivity. One of NHAI's biggest contribution to the country is the Swarnim Chaturpaj. One of NHAI's biggest contributions to the country is the Swarnim Chaturpaj, also known as the Golden Quadrilateral. By connecting 4 major metro cities of India, NHAI made the dreams of more than 1 billion Indians a reality. Further, by completing the north-south east-west corridor from Srinagar to Kanyakumari and Porbandar to Silchar, NHAI is strengthening the economy. Honorable Prime Minister of India flagged off the ambitious Bharatmala Pariyojana aimed at connecting all regions of India. As a part of this project, the concept of greenfield expressways was brought to the nation to provide faster travel and ensure world-class